Hi, good morning to everyone. In this series, we're going to discuss about web technologies, like the most important and ever green topics in the market. While we take our career into web development, we need HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I'll give a basic introduction about the series which I'm going to make videos on web development. Okay, the first one is HTML, and the second one is CSS, and the third one is okay. So these three play a major role in web development. Okay, so what is HTML, what is CSS, and what is JavaScript? So coming to HTML, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So, what HTML is all about? What is hypertext and what is this markup language? What is the importance of HTML? Okay, and we'll go to that each one, and I will make a series of videos on HTML, and I will make series of videos on CSS, and I will make series of videos on JavaScript. And remember, to shine in a career like web development, you need all these three. You should have a profound knowledge, or you should have profound basics about all these three technologies. Okay, so HTML is hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheet. Okay, what is CSS? What is cascading style sheet? Okay, and last one is JS, JavaScript. Okay, so I will say a basic example about this HTML and CSS. For example, you constructed one house. Okay, so you constructed one house with bricks. Okay, so if you want to sell that property to anyone, okay, so you constructed a new house, and if you want to sell that new house to anyone who is interested to buy, does anyone come forward to buy that? Does your house looks good? Why? Because you used bricks and raw material like cement and all, you just constructed a house. Does it look good? For example, you painted this house with different colors, like multicolors. Okay, so for roof, you painted with blue. For walls, for windows, you painted with different colors. So you painted your house with multicolors. Then, if you want to sell that house, everyone will pay interest to buy that house. Why? Because now it looks perfect. Okay, so what is HTML? HTML is like a raw house. Okay, so without any paintings, or without any good finishing. What is CSS? The constructed house with paintings and good finishing is nothing but your CSS, that is cascading style sheet. That means using HTML you will construct a website. If that website is not good, then what's the use of constructing that website? So your basic work will be done, but your website should look good, right? So for that reason we need CSS. And what about JavaScript? So JavaScript is nothing but, so remember, JavaScript doesn't have any um, basic meaning with Java. Java is entirely different with JavaScript. Okay. So what is JavaScript here? So you constructed a house using, you constructed a website using HTML and you applied CSS for that cascading style sheet, and your website looks beautiful. So for example, if you want to construct, if you want to show a calculator, or if you want to show any clock application to run on your website, then we require some logical scripting. So that is called JavaScript. Okay. So combining these three, we can construct a perfect website. Okay. So this is an introduction video. So what is web development is all about, and what technologies does it have. So how to construct a perfect website, what is HTML, what is CSS, and what is JavaScript. In the future videos, I will make a series of videos on HTML, series of videos on CSS, and series of videos on JavaScript. So I request everyone to please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please share my videos to all your friends and well-wishers, and please support my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.